guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a ponytail with the main attractions clip-ins that I used in my last video, and I'm also gonna be using some products from Hair Truth. So the other day I already moisturized my hair with the Afro Luminous Blends leave-in conditioner and the hair butter. So my hair is already moisturized, so I'm not really gonna focus on my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair up with the Hair Truth aloe and flax gel. So I'm just gonna open it up and show y'all. This is what it looks like. It smells good. It smells like peppermint. I wonder if it has peppermint. It doesn't say, but it smells like peppermint. So I'm gonna pull my hair up into a ponytail to like get an idea of where I want my ponytail at. So like right here, like that. And then I'm gonna put the Hair Truth gel, and I'm gonna put some in my hands. It's like this around the whole thing. And I'm also gonna use their setting moisturizer. So my hair is now in the ponytail and it is pretty tight. So I'm gonna go in and do my edges. Now that I finished my edges, I'm gonna work on my ponytail. I have a little bit of water, so I'm gonna spray that. I'm gonna be using the Hair Truth Leap, and actually, no. After I put that on, I'm gonna be using the Hair Truth Whip Butter. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this on my hair because it already has product on it, so I'm just using this to give it a little bit of moisture. This is what it looks like. It has shea butter, mango butter, and coconut oil. So I finished the braid and I'm going on with the curly hair. It's a little dry on the end, so I'm spraying it with the mist. So I detangled all the hair I was going to use, and I added the leave-in conditioner to the hair. But now I'm going to go ahead and start attaching it to my hair. I've never done this before, so I'm a little nervous. But I'm going to start with one of the longer pieces. Just going to comb it out some. And undo all the clips. Open them up. I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm just going to clip it on. I'm up to another clip, so I'm going to clip the hair right above it onto my braid. I'm going to go up and around, and I'm almost at another clip right here. So I'm just going to, I'm going to show y'all. I'm pushing it down into like a piece of the hair so it can actually clip. And then around. This one's ending in the back, so I'm just gonna push it down into the hair and clip. So this is what the end of the ponytail looks like. And I'm gonna spray it and put some more product on it because it's more manageable like this. So I'm just spraying it. Actually, I'm gonna put some of the gel on it. So I finished wrapping the hair all the way up the pony, up the braid, and this is what it looks like in the back. When I started adding the hair, it started to weigh my ponytail down, so I had to add another rubber band on the top to make it tighter. But I'm gonna be taking, actually I'm gonna take a 2-clip piece of hair like this, and I'm gonna be using this to wrap around my ponytail holder. So I'm just wetting this up just to give it the same natural look as all the other pieces of hair. That and some gel. And just combing it, just like that. And I'm gonna clip them at the bottom. I'm gonna clip these ones at the bottom of my head. Pieces of hair, just bringing it around. Just wrapping and wrapping. I'm gonna grab a bobby pin. I want to get these flyaways down. And yes, guys, this is the final look. This is how my ponytail looks. I don't know what the back looks like, so this is what it looks like. It's very long, but I love it. Guys, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot to record an outro, but I ended up redoing the little wrap piece because it was messy. But I ended up loving this look. I love the Hair Truth products, and I love the Main Attraction clip-ins. The hairstyle just came out so good, and I'm just so happy about it. I hope you guys like me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!